operations and delivery teams. Overseeing sales operation delivery team while managing growth and profitability. He is also committed to building the Salesforce resources through academic alliance program for students. Over 17 years of experience in education, process consulting, and delivery management, he is on a mission to bring the entire ecosystem together to build Salesforce talent. I would like to introduce the speakers for the day. We have Ms. Leah Kurian, Vice President APAC Services, Cloud Support, Salesforce. We have Mr. Rakesh Viswasaraya, Campus Recruiting India Head, Salesforce. We have Mr. Chandrasekhar Buddha, CCO, AICTE, Ministry of Education. We have Mr. Amreen Katkam, Founder and CEO, Smart Bridge and Smart Interns. And we have Mr. Shiva Kumar Ji, Country Head and Director, Trailhead Academy, Salesforce. Sir, over to you.
Thank you so much, Sampurna. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Salesforce supported virtual internship program. Thanks again for joining this particular session. And I would like to welcome each and everyone, especially our fresh minds of the country, to join this particular program. With further delay, I would like to introduce our esteemed guest, Dr. Chandrasekhar Buddha ji. He is the Chief Coordinating Officer at AICTE and also the leadership team of AICTE. Virtual internship is the brainchild of Dr. Buddha ji, and he is one of the mastermind creating the framework of virtual internship. And this particular project actually helped not only it's very small to call it, thousands of students, lakhs of students, given an opportunity for them to experience the industry content. Thank you so much, Buddha ji, for creating such a wonderful program like VIP. This is helping a lot of students experience and also, helping them to learn the industry-oriented content. With that note, I would like to extend Buddha ji to talk about a little bit more and, encourage and enthusize our students for in this particular cohort. Over to you, Buddha ji.
Yeah. Good evening, all, and what a wonderful program. If my memory is correct, I think we already finished more than 10,000 students. Successful virtual internship, program, and more than 10,000 families got benefited, out of this. And I think, this is the third cohort. So one we did in March and one in July 2023, right? I think, two wonderful programs, and what an extraordinary learning opportunity received by the students, from the dynamic Salesforce ecosystem. Because when I say dynamic, the thing is, this is not only about bookish knowledge, they are working on a real-time scenarios, real-time problems, and they're trying to gain the real-time experience, which is very, very much needed in the 21st century. Because, academia goes in one side and industry goes in another side, because, both as the velocity and speed differs between these two. So basically, this kind of a virtual internship opportunity, especially from Salesforce, they are not only bridging the gap, they were giving extraordinary real-time experience to the students to work with, various problem statements. And another thing is that it is more research and innovation, I think, which is very, very important to the students in 21st century, because your degree is no more enough to gain better opportunities. So in order to get a global opportunities, you need to be best of the best in the innovation, best of the best in the research, best of the best understanding the market trends, and best of the best on working on the real-time scenarios, by interacting with the customers. So I think, these are like 5 Panch Pandavas, who basically like, representation of a dharma in Mahabharata. What it really means is that, these are the 5 ingredients you need to have in order to succeed as a student. I think this is the wonderful combination what Salesforce giving opportunity here. I think I see that, the students will gain more from this cohort tree. And we need to, I think, Shiv Kumarji, we need to increase more numbers with help of Amrendarji. And I see Smart Bridges doing, amazing things. I mean, sometimes the wonderful things happens from small companies. Like Apple started in a small garage. Microsoft started in a car shed. I think, small things, starts and it grows exponentially. I think, I see that with help of companies like Salesforce, the Smart Bridge is also growing, and they are also, taking things forward in a way that, that exponential growth, right? I think, that's a wonderful combination. This is, I call it as a Bahubali combination. So it is not that, one person is working, the entire team working together to make our students succeed. See, that's a secret sauce here. And I really appreciate all of you for this wonderful internship event. But one request I would like to make to Amrendarji and Salesforce team is that, let's add more numbers and, more non-engineering students and more, students from arts, science, so that, the non-engineering students will also get an equal opportunity. And is there any way we can do similar kind of a programs for more faculty members? Because faculty members basically disseminate the knowledge. They have access to the student. They have a one-to-one access also. So if we can empower more faculty, they will train more students and they will, engage more students, and Salesforce will become a brand of every household. I think, this is the way we need to take a step forward. As I need to join another meeting, I just cut short my entire thing. I thank everyone and I wish best of luck to all the students. But I request all the students to utilize this to the best, because very rarely you will get such an opportunity to work with world's top 10 companies. And Salesforce is a number one in customer relation management. I mean, you name it, they are there. And they have an extraordinary cloud computing infrastructure. So you will get a better opportunities not only on building a softwares as a service. You will get an opportunity to learn infrastructure, how to create a scale in application, scale out applications. You will learn a lot of things along with the people management, because what I realized, they have a best of the best team. And whenever you have some kind of inputs you require, they are open and they are ready to clarify. They are working along with the students. I think, this created a successful combination of this internship opportunity. I wish best of luck to all the students, Salesforce team, as well as Amarendarji's team. And next time, I will again join in the next current. And I thank everyone. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
sir.
for taking your time out in your busy schedule. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so let's move on to our second extreme guest is my colleague, Leah Kurain, Vice President, APAC Services, Cloud Support, Salesforce. So Leah comes with 21 years of experience across the product management, engineering, and global support. Prior to Salesforce, she worked with Dell and Sonata. Been in the industry for 22 years. Extremely passionate about customer satisfaction, product development, mentoring across the cross-functional teams, working on new technology trends. So some of the expertise of Leah are one of the favorite part is giving back is something she is very passionate about it. She works on a two cause, which is educating a girl child and as well as environmental sustainability. Thank you so much, Leah, joining this particular session. And we would like you to share some of your experiences to the students and of the industries. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Shiva. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so honored to come in and sit with this esteemed panel here and to meet all the students who've come today. Team, just to quickly talk a little bit about myself. Like, my name is Liam. I lead customer success for a product called Service Cloud at Salesforce. I started my journey as a professional as a college intern, right? So I passed out of engineering college and got placed in a company called Sonata Software right out of college. I was not sure. I was an electrical engineering graduate and not computer science like a lot of you are today. It was very tricky for me to identify back in those days on what made sense, what should I study, what should I look at to find the right job. And from there, continuously from that time till now, the roles that I've done, like I've done sales, I have done development, I've done product management, I have done support. Right now I'm doing success. Through these roles, to identify what do you learn, what are the things that you should know to find this job has been the most important part, right? Knowing the right people, the right help and guidance to tell you what to study has been very important. Hence, this program is so interesting to me. I always reached out to Shiva to understand what are we doing in this regard, because we have a lot of talent in India, right? We have huge talent pool in India, but there could be people like me who are out there and not sure what is it that you have to study, what is happening in the market today. And if we know that, if we can marry that talent to the demand or the skills that are needed, nothing like it, right? And so that's my interest in this program. In the other part, when we look at it, is we in this industry by now, I'm here for 21 years working, and we are thinking in a certain style, right? There are problems that we have seen for which we develop solutions. And we have been seeing repetitive problems, and we are finding solutions to that in same manner, right? However we are thinking, that's how we solve it. But when we see new people, new generation coming in, they think out of the box. They're standing on our shoulders, right? They've seen what we could do, and then they are ready to develop solutions on top of it. So when new people come in, like I have a lot of campus recruits in my team every year, like right now I have 100 new people sitting with us right from college. And sometimes when we discuss a problem, there is an easy solution out. There is something which you could think different out of the box and come to us with, which we never think about. And the new kids who come in can think about and say that here is how you can probably solve it. Does it make sense? And that's when we think about, oh yeah, that would have been wonderful for us to think about, right? So that's another reason where we come out and say that, look, there is goodness in bringing all these new talent together where we can think differently and enable, like we can learn from you all and you can learn from us, and together we can create amazing product and customer experience. That's what we wanted to do. With that, what I wanted to focus a little bit today was on what do we do in Salesforce? What is it that we do, right? A lot of you would have heard about it, and that's the reason why you are interested in this program. And when you said you're signing up for the program which Shiva is running, basically you're saying we want to learn about Salesforce, right? And my friend and colleague here who's talking in this panel will also walk you through what all are there in our ecosystem. But I want to quickly touch upon what all products do we have, right? So Salesforce, if you might already know this, is our #1 AI CRM in the world today, right? We leverage AI and we develop the best customer relationship management software, which means there are products like Sales Cloud, which helps people sell better, right? If you are in let's say if you go to a normal shop, you would feel happy if the shopkeeper knows about you. If you are frequenting a shop, you would be very happy when the shopkeeper asks you, is this the product that you want? This is what you bought. Is this what you want, right? CRM Sales Cloud is a product which helps you do things like that. It will come and bring in all the sales information together, helps you sell better, connect with your customers better. We have a product called Service Cloud, which is a product which companies use to serve customers better. Like you go to different companies, like let's say Amazon, to buy certain things. And then you have a problem with that product. And then you have to reach out to them about the problem, the product that you bought. You, of course, want the company to know what product did you buy and what is the solution that the company have for your particular problem. And the next time when you go to these companies with a similar problem, you want this company to remember what kind of issues did you have in the past? How did that company solve it for you, right? Service Cloud is our product, which will deal with all those support industry, service and support industry. We have product in marketing, which helps you market to the customers better. There are large companies like Nike, like big companies who wants to tell you what to buy, right? They send you custom emails around, here is the shoes that you brought last time. Here is a newer version. You brought it like 5 years back or 2 years back. Here is something similar that you like based on your buying trend. Here is what you might want to buy. The companies like Nike want to send you those kind of emails. And we have product like Marketing Cloud, which will allow you to do that. We have products like Commerce Cloud, which would help companies do online sales better, right? So there are companies who run Core and Core Nike, another example, sales in our platform. So Commerce Cloud helps us do that. We have Tableau, which is our analytics solution. If you have anything around analytics, any kind of solutions that you need, any kind of data, that's Tableau. We also have MuleSoft, which will help you connect all these solutions between us. And we have a lot of products, but I will also stop with the last one, which I want to really highlight is the industries product. Today, due to COVID, everybody went into digital transformation. Digital transformation was picking in the last few years. And with COVID, all of us were forced to go back and sit at home and do all functions from home. So all the companies had a need, like you saw Swiggy's, you saw every kind of food delivery apps delivering at your footstep. You saw companies like Big Baskets coming in and having groceries or all other needs, not just food, being delivered at doorsteps. You saw all companies having to go back, work from remote and support you in those needs. And all those companies had to go through quick digital transformation to support you, right? Swiggy is an example. All of you might be Swiggy's customers after COVID, right? And Swiggy kind of companies had a need to come to us quickly. We being the enabler who can support with sales, support, marketing, we could quickly bring these companies to digitally transform. Once we did that, we also realized we have a need to kind of tailor it according to industries, right? Like there are banks who had to go digital. There was retail who had to go digital. And each of these customers, while they had similar need, they had tailored asks around their domain. So we've now kind of running industry clouds for each of these industries where we bring all of these products together and then deliver to customers. So as part of this program Shiva is running, you would learn a lot about all these products, not just the products, all these industries. What are the gaps in these industries? What are the solutions that we are putting together? What is the technology that we are using to build these solutions, stitch it all together for you, which will enable you like go and figure out when this industry is growing, the AI revolution is happening, you would know what are the skills that you would need, what are the industries that need the skill the best, and then apply it. So I'm so happy that you all found interest in this program and signed up for it. That's the best start that you would get, and wishing you all the luck in this journey. And anytime you need any kind of help, reach out to Shiva and team, and then you could connect with, he will connect you with the rest of us. Take it from there. Shiva, back to you.
Thank you so much, Ria, for your insight about Salesforce products and the journey you shared, the way you came up. It's very, very inspiring for a lot of students over here. Moving on, so our next speaker, which is Rakesh Vishweshwaraya. So he's the campus recruitment India head at Salesforce. Rakesh is one of the experienced talent acquisition leader, which I've seen and been worked with him for many years. Uh, and he's demonstrated uh, working with university, many colleges and universities, whether in the information technology space or a telecom space or a SaaS space. That's the experience he brings it onto a table. Skilled in campus recruitment and leadership program over 12 plus years in the industry, with passionate to colleges and the universities and the students. He really closely work with the academia market. So Rakesh, and I would like to invite you to share your side of a story to the students from a campus recruitment perspective, how you would like to look at when you are hiring it, or more than when you are hiring it, when the industry is hiring them into the organization, what are the criteria they look into it, some of the tips and tricks for our the learners, and how important this industry skills is going to help them out. Over to you, Rakesh.
Sure. Thanks, Shiva. Hi, everybody. Good evening. Nice to see about 2,500 and more live streaming going on. I think great to see all of them coming in as one cohort. And a huge warm welcome to each one of you. All the trailblazers is what I would probably call each one of you, right? Blazing the trail. Go for it. I think this is one kind of a platform which I definitely feel what Shiva and team are doing a tremendous job in terms of getting a platform like Salesforce to each one of you. That means a lot. A little bit about myself. My name is Rakesh Vishweshwaraya. I lead the campus hiring strategy for Salesforce India. Been with Salesforce for close to about 6 years. Started my journey pretty much as a recruiter. Then I grew along with the companies. What I would definitely say, and what I've seen the best part of Salesforce is it allows you to grow leaps and bounds, irrespective what it just looks at what you bring onto the table, and what best impact you can make to each one of them, be it with internal or external market, right? With this, I'll cover a little bit about Salesforce. I think many of you are not aware about Salesforce quite a lot. Leah touched upon quite a lot of our products aspect, but we as a company, as an organization, who we are, we spoke about we being the world number one AI CRM, but what do we actually do? Our goal, right, as an organization is to help our customers connect with their customers, especially in the B2B space, in a whole new way, right? So that they can serve their customers with the experience what you would look for, right? So before we talk about it, I just want to say thank you again, once again, for taking your time out. We know that it's a busy schedule for you, especially with your academics. So, but it means quite a lot for us, for you to choose to spend this time learning about Salesforce, right? Now, we spoke about Salesforce being the world number one CRM platform, as in, but what does CRM do, right? A lot of people might have questions. What does CRM do, especially in this world, right? Uh, to explain it a lot better, everybody's got a phone, right? A smartphone with each one of you, right? What does that help you to do? Maybe I'll just pause and look at some of those answers coming in. You can probably put it in your chat window. You have a smartphone, you have a lot of apps in your smartphones. What are that smartphones, or what are those apps enable you to do? Can I have some answers in if somebody is typing? To connect with others. Okay. Making things easy. Exactly. Right. To do everything digital. Right. It basically helps you make your personal life more easier. Right. Putting a whole lot of power in the palm of your hands, right? Really, it's your own personal productivity tool, right? Now, and while some of these apps on this phone are from Apple, a majority of them are not Apple products as well, right? Or these apps might not be delivered by Apple, right? They are simply connecting the dots for you in your personal life and making things easier to get it done, right? Now think about Salesforce just like an iPhone or an Android phone, right? We are providing a platform that allows us to deliver great applications to our customer, right? Now, what does that mean? Generative AI changing everything, right? We were talking about cloud. We spoke about mobile, which came in about 16 years back, where it had about 100 million users. And then came in social media, right? 2.5 years it took to achieve about 100 million users for Instagram. Now, with generative AI, it just took about 2 months for them to get onto 100 million ChatGPT users. Now, think about it. This is changing. The technology is changing for the lifetime, and you're at the peak of your career where all of this is happening, and it is coming at a pace where you've never seen it before, right? The technology is moving faster than we are thinking about it, right? And it's the fastest growing consumer product of all time. Now, with this, we are bringing a lot of AI cloud, which is built as a trusted enterprise for our CRM products, right? I'm not sure if you've heard of something called as Einstein GPT. That's our trust layer that is allowing our applications to harness generative AI with the foundation of trust, privacy for most customer sensitive and business data, right? That's a little bit about our AI. Now, when we're talking about Salesforce, right, a little bit about the global impact of Salesforce is much, much bigger than the technology or the company what we're talking about. Together with our partners and customers, we're creating millions of Salesforce related jobs around the world. And that's why we call this as Salesforce economy. And this is an IDC coined term, right? Now, according to IDC, Salesforce economy is going to add about 4.2 million new jobs in next couple of years, which means about 42 lakh new jobs, which is going to get created. And India is going to have more than 500,000 of those jobs getting created, right? If there's one thing that we've learned in this last year, it is that the things are pretty much changing constantly, right? And that includes our uh, generative AI, what we spoke about. With this happening, the global impact is from Salesforce economy is about 1.2 trillion US dollars. That's the net new business revenue what is going to get generated. With all of this booming in, it is the right time for you to engage in a company like Salesforce, where there's a lot of trailhead modules or a lot of learning, which is going to be in a gamified version, uh, which is going to simplify a lot of things for you, right? And make a lot of technology come to you at your hands, and harness the power of Salesforce, right? So with this, I would probably pause and tell you with last three things, right? What is Salesforce? When we spoke about it, everybody understood we are a customer company. Everybody understands that we are a people company because people and product and value system what this organization carries is something which is the superpower of Salesforce, right? And the last thing is you can be the future of Salesforce, right? The power is with you to unleash and go further. This I would like to thank Shiva for giving the opportunity, and back to you, Shiva. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Rakesh. Sharing your insights about the industry and the how we look at Salesforce internally. Really appreciate sharing all this information. And lastly, now I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every student who have joined this session. And it's a great opportunity to join our ecosystem. We call each and everybody a trailblazer. So anyone who associated with Salesforce, we call them a trailblazers. You are a trailblazers from today onwards. So you will get to hear more from the program details and how the program has been structured across. So how you want to learn, what are the helping hands during the learning journey, everything from Amar and team. So I'll hand over to Amar, and once again, thank you so much and welcome and happy learning.
Wonderful. Thank you, Shiva, and thank you, Leah and Rakesh for your great insights about Salesforce products and the kind of industry where the students are heading for. I would like to touch upon a couple of benefits of this program for the students and our students' point of view. Definitely, what is the benefit for students? That's a kind of question most of the students will be having. So this program is well structured in a way that it will provide you a wonderful opportunities with the industry. You have 8 weeks of engagement in this program where you have a good amount of learning exercise and followed by working on use cases in the form of super badges, and you also have industry validated guided projects where you can have a very good hands-on on different use cases picked up from different business domains. Guys, I think this will add a lot of credentials to your profile, uh, where you can showcase those credentials when you attend interviews with various companies, and it will provide you a kind of knowledge where I can explore a business case and implement a Salesforce solution as part of this exercise. And you will get a certificate of virtual internship in partnership with AICTE, and there's a valid certificate for you, and along with the kind of learning what you have covered, that will be provided along with the certification. Then you can acquire the kind of badges which are global credentials on Salesforce Trailhead platform. Then you have an opportunity to uh, participate in dedicated hiring exercises happening from the top companies. So there are exclusive career drives may happen for the candidates who complete this virtual internship programs. And apart from this, we are working with the youth colleges and the faculty, your management, to include this program as part of your the college credit framework, so that it can be a part of your virtual internship exercise where you can also get credits. Again, it depends upon the college decision. And you are going to be a part of a largest the ecosystem in the globe. The Salesforce ecosystem is one of the biggest ecosystem, and you're going to have a wonderful career journey once you step into the Salesforce ecosystem. So we have 2 tracks in this particular program: Salesforce administrator and Salesforce developer. The people who are having a good knowledge on coding, they can directly get into the Salesforce developer track. And the students who are not having a much knowledge about the coding, they can get started with the Salesforce administration track. Then after finishing Salesforce administration, maybe you can slowly get into the Salesforce developer track also. And during the entire 8 weeks, we're gonna help you with the technical support. We're gonna have a bunch of mentors who will be helping out whenever you're stuck somewhere. We are gonna have a dedicated communication channel through which you can clarify your queries. And we're gonna organize ask me anything sessions in between, or mentoring sessions in between, where you can directly join the sessions and clarify your queries with the mentors. And during your learning journey, the entire learning journey is properly designed and made available on your Smart Interns student login. Then you're going to have a proper calendar defined. There is no confusion. You are not no need to wait for session links and all those things. All those complete training schedule is available on your student login, and we're going to give you the guides also, where you can have a proper calendar of entire program day wise. The out deliverables are clearly defined. And at the end of the program, you're gonna achieve the super badges, and you have an optional guided project. But I request all the students to also explore the guided projects, because that will really add value to your profiles. Try to work on the guided projects provided to you as part of this engagement. And I have seen some of the students even worked on multiple guided projects as part of their the virtual internship journey. That will really add value when you attend the interviews with the companies. Definitely, those project experience will add a lot of value to crack the interviews. So altogether, you have everything set up for you. We have entire ecosystem, like we have support from AICT, wonderful team from Salesforce, and we have a great mentor support from Smart Interns team. Then we are going to have MVP sessions in between. Experts from Salesforce will have sessions in between. We have a proper scheduled MVP sessions in the program. And once you get into this Salesforce ecosystem, I think once you're on social communication channels or social platforms, once you start learning, there is a big ecosystem which will help you out to get into the Salesforce the job market. So we have great opportunities ahead, and many companies are looking for the Salesforce talent. So this virtual internship will definitely help you out in uh, getting into the right career as soon as you pass out from your graduation. Once again, I wish you all the best for all the students who joined this the launch event, and have a wonderful learning journey. We are here to support you in at any time. You can reach out to our mentors for any difficulty. And I thank all the faculty members who have joined this program. I think on the ground, you will be supporting your students to complete this journey. We are uh, here for you, like anytime, if you have any query or something, we are please write to us, or you can reach out to our program managers so that we can support you in entire learning journey. Wish you all the best. Thanks again. Looking forward to a wonderful learning journey. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much, Samar. So, I would like to throw some light on the schedule of this cohort. So, if I can share my screen, host, we can allow me to, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible. Great. So, I hope most of the people who enroll for the program are able to access this calendar, which we have prepared, day-to-day activity calendar for you. So this is pretty much explanatory where you are going to know what exactly will be done on a particular day. So today we are at 23rd of August. We are going to have the launch plus first instructor live session. So this is not only the launch that you are experiencing it now. After my session is done, my talk is done, the trainer will come and then he will start with the training for you. So every day, 2 hours we are going to spend for these sessions. 6 to 8 is a again time that we fix up every day. And this cohort, we have made few changes according to the timelines. So we are going to have instructor-led live sessions every day, starting from today. So right from 23rd to you have these instructor live sessions until 5th of September continuously, taking out Saturdays and Sundays. So Monday to Friday, you're going to have these sessions until 5th of September, every day 2 hours. So the idea is to provide continuity in the learning experience that you embark on from today, so that you can join these live sessions every day using the link provided, refer this calendar every day to know what exactly is happening and then follow accordingly. And from 6th of September, we are going to start mentoring. So what you have to do exactly is attend these live sessions, try to understand the concepts, and then parallelly you start working on the modules on the failure. So the both should go hand in hand, guys. So only if you complete the given trail mix on the Trailhead platform, you will be considered as a successful completer of the virtual internship program. So, in order to help you complete the journey on the trail mix, we are organizing these live sessions. So, in these live sessions, we talk about all the concepts that are there as part of the trail mix, the modules that are given to you. And you have to work on multiple modules that will lead to super badges And then once you complete super badges, that will lead to super sets. So there are multiple things available to you on the Trailhead platform of Salesforce. So refer this calendar and try to understand the activities date-wise and attend these sessions. So whenever you have mentor session, which means it's a kind of opportunity for you to join these sessions and ask mentor all your queries. Whenever you have instructor-led training, which means the trainer will be explaining some concepts to you. Whenever you have MVP sessions, so these MVP sessions are special sessions where we invite MVPs from the Salesforce community to talk about the opportunities the ecosystem has got for you, how you can transform yourself into a successful Salesforce developer or admin, whatever role you are looking out for. So they actually come from the community, they come from the industry. So they help you to get motivated and get into this ecosystem. So we are going to bring great people in these MVP sessions scheduled in the dates provided. So please attend these MVP sessions also as per the calendar. And then in the end, you have to complete the super set, super badges, whatever is mentioned in the trail mix, and then submit to us for verification. And we verify your credentials and then generate certificate. So this is how this entire cohort runs. The end date is 20th of October for you. So please follow this calendar without fail. You'll be easily able to complete the whole journey and get credential. So let me quickly show you the trail mix as well, how exactly it looks. Yeah. So these trail mix links have been shared to you over mails. I'll put it in the chat as well in case someone wanted to refer them. So I'm sharing both the trail mixes, admin and developer together. So whoever has enrolled for developer can choose developer trail mix, and then whoever has enrolled for admin can select admin trail mix and start your journey on Trailhead. So this is the trail mix you have to complete. So a trail mix is nothing but a collection of modules on the Trailhead platform. So we have curated the best modules suitable for you to learn the technology, be it admin or developer, as part of a trial mix in this way. So these are the modules which you have to complete. Each module will have a specific time period that will take for you to complete. I will add points also to your profile. So in order to start working on this trail mix, you have to log in into Trailhead, you have to sign up. So these all steps, I think at the time of enrollment itself, we have showed you how do you sign up on a Trailhead account. But in case if there is anyone who haven't signed up on Trailhead, please do that immediately by opening this trail mix and then sign up. Please remember that when you sign up for a Trailhead account, please use the same mail ID that you have used to register for this program, and use the same mail ID for creating any other accounts as part of this virtual internship program. So this is something which is very much important, because we use the same mail ID to track your progress as well. How many modules you completed, where are you in place of in the completion journey and all. So it is important for you to use same mail ID in all platforms as you're working towards this virtual internship program. So the credentials that you have to complete in order to get the completion certificate is the super badges and the super sets. So this is a sequential manner. One after the other, you have to go one module after the other module. It is designed in such a way that by the time you complete all of these modules, and when you come to a super badge, so usually these super badges are locked. So if you complete the above modules, by the time you come here, automatically these super badges are unlocked for you, because whatever modules you have to complete in order to unlock this have been already given to you in the previous list, in the previous modules like this above, so that you complete it one after the other, and by the time you come here, it will be unlocked. So you complete the super badges, and then in the end, you have to complete the super set. So this is something that is required for us in order to provide you completion certificate in this entire 2 months of journey. So what do you do as part of the virtual internship program? First, you attend live sessions. Second, you complete this trainings, entire trainings, which has these trainings are not just watching videos or something. These are actual activities it will ask you to do some activity practically on the Salesforce platform. You actually work on scenarios, different kinds of projects. So you get good amount of knowledge on how does this Salesforce platform actually work. So it's a great opportunity, great learning experience for you to explore yourself on the Salesforce technology, and you have mentor sessions. You can attend and you can ask any query, any issue you have. You stuck somewhere, you're getting some error while you're working on a module. You can ask the mentors through the mentor sessions that are provided. And also, we have created Slack communication channel for you. The invites will be sent to you very soon. So you can join the Slack communications. Slack is nothing but a kind of chat application, very similar to how other chat applications work. So it's more of a professional Slack professional communication channel for you. So you can join the Slack communication and then text any of your issues you have where mentors and other peer learners are present. These invites will be shared to you very soon, Slack invites. Once you get these invites, please do join without fail. So like this, you have to access the training sessions, attend live sessions, complete these modules, attend mentoring sessions, resolve your queries, and then complete the journey successfully. So this is how we have designed the journey, and I wish you very all the best. And I hope to see all of you completing these supersets and super badges with the help of the trainers and mentors, and then launch your career into Salesforce ecosystem. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. All the best. Over to you, Shiva.
Yeah,
One
very.
more.
Yeah, Rakesh, please carry on.
Like that, just want to inform that the one who wants to transfer the admin and the one who wants to stay in the developer. So developers need to stay in the developer group, and the admin needs to transfer to the admin group.
Yes, yes. So, guys, very good evening. My name is Hazari Ajay Kumar. So, I request the people who have registered for admin. I'm just giving the link in the chat. So, I request everyone to join in that channel. That means our Zoom link I have provided in the chat. Please copy the Zoom link and join for admin session. Okay. Here only developer people who have registered for developer. Please be here only. The developer will start session will be start at 7 o'clock, and those who register for admin, please take the link which I have given in the chat and join in that Zoom link. Okay, hope everyone has understood. So who are registered for admin, please take the link I have given in the Zoom and come back to the admin session.
Yeah,
Okay.
so basically, this Zoom, whatever we are continuing, is for developers. So the technical session for developer will continue in this session. So who are enrolled for developer track, please stay here. We are going to start in a couple of minutes. Who has enrolled for admin, please click on the link given in the chat, and you can exit from this and join the new Zoom link created for you. There the session will start. So we are giving a couple of minutes break so that people who join this session will move to admin, whoever is enrolled for admin, and developers will stay here only. I repeat, developer enrolled candidates, stay in this, wait for a couple of minutes, we'll start the session. Admin, please move to the separate Zoom link created.
Please check the link, guys. I have given in the chat box. Hope everyone has received it. Admin people who register for admin, please join in that admin link. Okay, this is for developer.
Whoever has enrolled for developer, please stay in the same session for some time. We'll start. Yes, please see chat. I request everyone to open up chat option. Developer, whoever has enrolled for developer, please stay in the same Zoom. You don't have to move anywhere. Admin enroll canvas, please click on the link given in the chat.
Yeah, hello Jay, you there? Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Like there is a common question asking in the Q&A. I just want to make it open. So people are expecting that still the registrations are open.
No, they are not.
They are not, right? So in that case, they need to join for the next coming cohort.
Yes. They can,
Okay.
they can register now itself for the next cohort by selecting next cohort option.
Okay. Hope participants has been on this.
Also, I request trainers to show how do they sign up on Trailhead account post, because there are few fields which will be confusing for them, like company name, what are they, how are they associated with Salesforce partner or customer. These questions would definitely confuse students. I request trainers to spend 5 minutes time to show them, in case if there is there's anyone who haven't signed up on Trailhead account, how do they do that exactly?
Yes, sir. That how the CRM is working. See, most of the people might be thinking that we are using the CRM tools to maintain the customer relationship management. Everyone knows the full form of it, but everyone doesn't know that how does the CRM works over there, correct? So Rakesh sir has make it very clear that how the things are making easy by the CRM tool, correct? So the whole Salesforce works under the CRM only. Okay. So whatever the things which we want to make it easily, if suppose we want to maintain the relationship with the customers, how we can maintain it in the easy way, even the client, whenever they are using that application, they should not face any problems related to that. So just with the point and click, they should get everything. That is the thing they wanted, correct? So they want to manage all the data related to that. So we'll slowly see that how the CRM works and how the Salesforce has come into the picture. Okay, so let's begin now. This is Shivam here, the Salesforce developer who is having the 3+ years of experience in the as a Salesforce developer. Okay, we will start with the basic introduction to the Salesforce, and then we will see what is Salesforce CRM, what is the architecture of the Salesforce. So today we will see what are the basic things which are coming under the Salesforce, how the Salesforce is running, how is the environment of the Salesforce, how whatever the things which are there with the basic. If you want to dig it into the Salesforce platform, you should understand first the very basic part of it. Okay, so if you understand, it is not that difficult to build an application. If you understand the concept, it is very easy to work with the flow. If you understand the business part of it, then you will understand the building part of it as well. So it is not that difficult. you will enjoy this work while doing this, building the application. Even you will enjoy the developer part as well. It is not that much of difficult when we start with the developing part of it. So just pay attention, just do the regular basis of practice. If you are doing regular practice, it will be very easy. As Jay sir has told you that you have to go for the trailhead. If you are logging into that trailhead, it will really help you see. There are lots of modules, lots of that is a huge platform to learn. If you are simply starting from as a beginner over there, start from the scratch. Start whatever we are taking in the we are taking in the session. Just go through that only. You don't have to do that much. Means you don't have to run away. Just go slowly. You will catch all the things over there. Okay. So we'll start now with the basic introduction. See, just start with the basic modules. There are lots of modules, and even there is a platform where is the Salesforce Smart Reach has been provided that platform. You can start with that module as well. So from the scratch, everything is given. So if you are facing any problem in that also, you can just read that module thorough, and you can gain some points with that. You can gain some badges, and even that points and badges are helping you to get the jobs as well. See, if you will put that what you call that as a trailhead link is there. Okay, so you can put that trailhead link into your resume as well, so that recruiter can get your ability, that how much you are practicing on the trailhead, how much the points you have gained, how much the badges you have gained, then how much super batches you have done. So this is all about this developer and admin part. So we will start this developer program with the basic of admin. Then we will start with in the mid of the we will start with the developer part. Okay. So so we will start with the basic introduction to the Salesforce. Correct. So what is Salesforce? So Salesforce is an American cloud-based software company which was founded in the year of 1999 in the San Francisco by the Mark Benioff. See, Salesforce is nothing but the cloud-based software company. Okay. So it was founded by the Mark Benioff in the late 90s. See, previously, what used to happen before Salesforce coming into the picture, the things were running very like inefficient way. So like the people, the business who they used to run the business, what they used to do is like they used to store all the paperworks in the files. They used to make a bunch of that files and they used to keep in the shelf. And if suppose they want 2 to 3 years back records, so they have to search for the files, and they used to search for the which month they have put that records and everything. It was very difficult to manage that thing. Everyone know that the paper thing is very difficult to manage, correct? Or however you keep it, but it doesn't matter that it will give you a correct way to uh, it will give you correct way to get all the documents of it in the proper manner, correct? So that happened. That was very first stage of that managing the business. Then secondly, it came with the desktop came into the picture. Okay, so desktop came into the picture. What happens with the desktop? That doesn't change anything over there. Even the people says that Excel sheet is there. Why do we use that Salesforce? See, if you are using that Salesforce Excel sheet over there, you are storing all the data, but you can't manage everything over there. You can't see all the reports over there just with the point and click tools, correct? So for that reason, if you want to search, if you want to make a report of it, if you want to see the dashboard of it, it is very difficult. It is very we will say it is a very traditional work to do, and it is not that easy to manage it with the Excel sheet. You will say that you will store the data and you will search whatever the records you have stored and you can find it easy way, but it is not that easy. You can't do everything with the point and click tool, correct? So for that reason, Mark Benioff have think about this, that how he can make the work easy for the business as well as for the customers as well, correct? So this was found in late 90s of 1999, correct? So it provides a customer relationship management software and application focused on sales, customer services, marketing automation, e-commerce analytics, and application development. So there are multiple clouds which are working under the Salesforce. So starting from the sales cloud to service cloud, marketing cloud, these are the major clouds which are playing the major role over the Salesforce. But there are more clouds present in that. So like if you're talking about the e-commerce, which are the Amazon, Flipkarts, every companies who are using this Salesforce CRM only to manage everything. These are all coming under the e-commerce one, correct? So whatever the things which they are managing, they are very good manner they are managing these things. Okay, so it is not just like to maintain just the records only. Even you can serve all the things whatever the customer is needed that day over there, correct? So that is the basic introduction to the Salesforce. Then coming to the CRM, CRM is the customer relationship management. Okay, is a technology for managing all your company's relationship and interactions with the customers and potential customers. The goal is simple: to improve the business relationship. A CRM system helps a company stay connected to customers, streamline process, and improve the profitability. Correct? Now just forget about this, whatever the introduction I put over there in the presentation. Just think about the new launch product. Okay, if suppose new launch product, let's take an example of the mobile phone. Okay, so just some company has launched the new phone. Okay, so suppose if they want to do they want that their product should be sold in very good manner, everyone people should know about that their product. So what they should do, this is the question for everyone. What will be the very first stage that the people should know about their product? What will be the very first stage? Can you please answer me in the chat box so that I can understand how your thinking is going on? Okay, so we'll start with, I'll ask in questions in the middle way only. So it is very basic question for everyone. Okay, so I will repeat the question again. If suppose I launched, if a new phone launch, if new phone launched is there, okay, and they want to sell this product to every people should know every people should know that about their product. So what they will do? Can everyone answer that? Correct. So very first stage will be the advertisement. Okay, advertisement is the very first stage. So marketing, basically it all comes under the marketing. So advertisement, campaigns, whatever you say, see, advertisement will be on the television, social media, everywhere they will be doing the marketing, correct? Then there is a campaigns as well going on. So you might have seen the roadside, they will be sitting with the umbrella, chairs, table will be there. So they will keep their product. And even in the malls you visit, you will be able to see that the people are sitting over there. They're just giving an information. They're just giving the pamphlets over there. So everything they will provide it, correct? So they are doing the very first stage will become the marketing. Then coming to the sales. So there is a lead opportunity and there is a quote. Here you can see there is a lead opportunity and there is a quote. What does this lead means? Can anyone tell me what is lead actually? Can anyone tell me that what is lead? Correct. It is a potential customer. Lead is nothing but the potential customer. What is lead? How does we generate the lead? So suppose you are sitting in the mall and you have you bought your new launched phone, correct? You are sitting over there and the people are coming to you and visiting you and asking about your product, correct? They are asking about your product and you are giving the information, whatever the features that phone is having, you are giving that information to that person. So the person who is coming to you is nothing but the lead. Okay, this is the person who is showing little bit of interest in your product, who wants to know about your product, is asking some questions to you, is nothing but the lead. Okay, so what the new launch the marketing people will be doing? they will gather the information, they will store all the information of that lead. So lead is nothing, lead is not the customer. First thing to note over here is lead is not the customer. He's the potential customer. In future, he can be the customer. In short meaning is like he can be the customer. He is the just a lead. We have just generated the lead. Now our thing is to that how we can grab him and how we can give the better way, how we can give better examples of that, how we can give better features for that our new launched phone, and so that he will be showing an interest to buy the new launched phone. Correct. So they will generate the so in the sales we will generate the leads. Correct. And we'll gather them and we'll make it the good record of that lead. Correct. Then coming to the next is like feedback. Correct. So the feedback is nothing but if suppose someone is purchasing the phone and he's purchasing and he's getting a good review on that, so he will give some good feedback on that. He will generate one review, he will create one review that this product is very good and everything whatever he liked about that, whatever the good things, whatever the bad things. So if suppose we are getting a bad feedback, so we can overcome that bad feedback also by just clearing all the things whatever it is causing the problem. Correct. So we can just overcome with this thing. Correct. Then coming to we are all managing all the data, so they might raise the case on that that they are facing some problem. So this is our responsibility, this is our our responsibility in the sense that the responsibility is of the company who is launching that phone. Correct. So here you can see there is a support as well. So what the support means, there is a customer services provided to them. Correct. There is a customer service provided to them, so they will visit that customer care. They can go to that customer services, they can tell them to customer service people that we are facing this problem, so how we can overcome to this problem. So we will come to know about that all the things. So this is the basic management thing which we are doing in the CRM. It is all working with the very basic cycle of it. Correct. So we should understand this part of it only. So CRM is just managing all the things. It is not just working for the sales thing. It is not just working for the marketing or just we call it as a service cloud or like that. It is nothing like that. That just work for the three major areas only. They are three majors, but they are all over the other clouds as well. Okay. So wherever their support is needed, they will be managing it very better manner. Okay. Then moving to the popular clouds in the cloud-based software company, as I told you that sales cloud, marketing cloud, and service clouds are there. Correct. So sales cloud, marketing cloud, and service cloud are three popular cloud-based software solutions offered by Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management platform. Each cloud caters the specific business functions and helps organizations effectively manage their sales, marketing, and customer service operations. See, as I told you, these are the basic three things which we need to do while we are selling our product. Correct. So whatever the information which we are gathering from that lead, we are storing into the database, which we indirectly, it is going to the cloud only. Okay. So everything is getting stored into the cloud. We don't have to worry about that things where we are storing that information, wherever we are generating that customer. See, this is all secured part of it. Salesforce is taking care of everything, everything that they will not mischief over there with the records. They're even isolated with everything. So whatever they so see, we talk about the confidential things, right? So whatever the records which you are getting, even if you are working on your organization, wherever you are creating your own free developer org, also even that record is even that things are also secured. So that thing I want to tell you that that is very much effective and very much like they are like equally distributing, they are equally isolated, everything they are working on. Correct. So these are the three popular clouds. So let's talk about the sales cloud. Sales cloud is the Salesforce CRM application designed to streamline and enhance the sales processes. It provides tools for managing customer information, tracking leads, automating sales tasks, and generating reports. Sales Cloud helps sales teams track and manage their leads, opportunities, and customer interactions, enabling them to close deals more efficiently and drive the revenue growth. Now, as I told you, this Sales Cloud is there. This Sales Cloud is playing the major role, which is playing an important, very, see, whenever there is a streamlined flow is needed. So what happens? First, you will generate the lead. You are gathering the information of that lead, correct? You are tracking all the information of it. You will take his name, you will take his email ID, his phone number, everything. You will gather that information with you, correct? Now you stored all the information in the leads, correct? You stored that information in the leads. Now what you want to do, you just have done a campaign, the campaign is over. How you think that you can interact with that lead? So as you have gathered all the information of the lead with the email IDs and phone numbers, you can just simply send the push notifications on the phone. You can send the emails, you can call them, you can ask them what you are thinking about our product, as you asked on that day when we had a campaign over there. So you were we were pretty much sure that you like that product. You can say whatever the things you can do by just talking with them and just giving all the informations regarding the product, correct? So you will give whatever you wanted. So you will keep a track on that lead, correct? So you will regularly send them push notifications. Then you will generate the report that how many leads are interested to buy the product, how many have rejected that product. So you will gather that all the information in that cloud. If suppose that lead became the customer, so you will store that information into the accounts, correct? You will store that all the information into the accounts. And if suppose there will be not just the direct customers only, even there will be some vendors also that might be showing the interest on your product. So he will purchase the phones in huge lot, okay? So they can manage everything over there. So if suppose they want to do business with you people, so they will come to you, they will say that we want 150 phones or 100 phones, how many number of phones they want, they will ask you. So what will happen over there? So you will store that all the information of into the accounts if they are purchasing your product as they becomes the customer, okay? So will this relationship will be just for that 100 phones only? No, it will not be there. So if you have given that 100 phone and that vendor has sold that all 100 phones to the customers, correct? Now the customers are directly demanding to that vendor that they want some more for they want that phone again, correct? So what that we will store that automatically, that account information will be stored into the opportunity as well. So opportunity is having number of steps into it. So what will happen? That will be the prospecting. There will be analyzing. There will be seeing the whatever the things they we are done. They what we will track all the information. There are lots of steps we are going on the opportunity. So that opportunity will be step by step cleared, and we can gain more business with that vendor as well. So we are storing that information into the opportunities as well, correct? And then we will interact with the customers as well. So that is the thing which we are happening in the very good manner. So if these works are going very inefficient work, if this work is going in efficient work, then that will definitely generate your good revenue to the organization, correct? So these things are managing in very good manner with the sales cloud, correct? Then moving to the marketing cloud, we have seen that marketing cloud, how it works. So marketing cloud just basically works with the sending the emails, sending the push notification, doing the campaigns, doing the advertisement, whatever they can do is comes under the marketing cloud. So just we'll look into the marketing cloud. Marketing cloud is the Salesforce platform for managing the automating marketing campaigns across multiple channels such as email, social media, mobile, and advertising. Correct. So it provides a tool for creating personalized, targeted marketing campaigns, analyzing customers' behavior, and measuring campaign effectiveness. So as I told you, whatever the campaigns which you are doing, you will see that which customer is more interested. You will gather that information. You are storing that information. You will go on the social media. You will send the push notification. You will doing whatever the advertisement you can do about your product. You will do it. Correct. So you will do in a good manner. So in what happens in the marketing cloud is like there is a basic templates already all over there. So you just in the template, what you have to do, you have to just write one paragraph over there, whatever you want to do. Everything works on the automatically. Everything works automatically over there. Nothing you have to do. Just you have to create one template. Even you don't have to write the participant's name also. It will be automatically take all the name. It will send whatever the name is there and give all the information about the product and give all the push notifications to that lead, and he will gain all the knowledge regarding that. Correct. So this all comes under the marketing cloud. When we talk about the service cloud is a Salesforce customer service and support application. It helps organizations deliver exceptional customer service experiences by providing a unified platform for managing customer inquiries, support cases, and service interactions across the multiple channel. See, this service cloud is also playing the major role. It is not like that just sales is playing a good role over there and marketing cloud is playing a good role all over there. There is a service cloud. Whenever you want to do a large business, whenever you want to do huge business, you have to make sure that you are providing the service over there. See, just talk about the phones, just talk about the bikes, cars, everything whatever the things which you are purchasing with the high range, you will definitely have the service for that. See, if your service is not there, then what is the benefit of using that product? Correct. So whatever the product you are purchasing, everything is having the service. Everyone is providing the service. You will whatever the support which we need to give, we will provide by the providing the service to them. See, everything is happening. If a phone is getting any problem, there is a customer service. If bike is having the problem, there is a bike servicing center. There is a for the car, there is a car servicing center. Everything is having the service thing. Correct. So how we will come to know that that customer is facing the problem? By this service cloud. Okay. So if suppose he is raising some question to that, he is facing some problem related to that, or he is facing that difficulty to that related to that product. So you'll be visiting the card that what we say that service cloud, and we'll see that what problems he is facing, and we'll try to rectify that things very quickly. Okay, so that we can maintain the relationship, very good relationship with the customers. Okay, so this is the three major popular clouds working under the Salesforce. Then just we have a quick view that how the things used to go when there was no Salesforce was not there. So there was a business person, correct, who used to do the business for the food delivery services. Okay, he used to provide the food delivery services into multiple countries over there, and he used to schedule it. Everything he used to do just manually. He used to make a report. He used to do paperwork, or you can say the Excel work. Okay, so he used to gather all the information. He used to store as per the schedule, and he used to tell that customer that this product will be delivered till that specific date and specific time. Everything will be there. Now this management was just going manually. He used to handle the paperwork. He used to handle the desktop work. Okay, so that things were creating some problems to the person who is getting the delivery. So sometimes it will be happening like that. The customer is facing the faulty delivery. How that company owner will come to know that he is facing problem related to that faulty delivery? Correct. How that owner will come to know that delivery is not good? He is facing some problem. The product which is coming is becoming faulty till the that product is coming to that customer. So how he will come to know? that was very difficult to communicate between the customer and the business person, the who is the selling his product, correct? So it was very difficult to communicate between these two peoples. So there was a one developer in his organization. He suggested the owner that there is a Salesforce CRM platform where you can manage the things very good manner. You can maintain the healthy relationship with the customers. So you can even track the data of whatever the customer is facing the problem. See, you might be taking the example, just take an example of the Amazon also. You take the product, you purchase the product. If the product is faulty, what you will do, you will return it. They will ask you what is the problem you are facing. They will ask you the reason, correct? So whatever the reasons is there, you will just tell them and it will be given to that Amazon, correct? So they will come and you can return your product, correct? So in this way the things are becoming very easy to handle all this situation. But before this CRM coming into the picture, these things were causing very badly to the business, that they because of there was no efficient work going on. There was a lots of business loss over there, as they were managing the things with manual efforts. They used to put the human efforts in that, and that was very difficult to handle the business, correct? So this way the Salesforce come into the picture. So the Salesforce has generated the CRM platform where they used to manage the customers' data, where they used to create the sales pages, where they used to gather all the information, whatever the information they want, they used to gather that all the things with them, and they used to deliver the product. So in this way, they used to they became the efficient work over there, and they generated the good revenue over there. So this is the way the Salesforce is managing all the things over there. So if you are understanding this business flow, you can easily understand the application creation of the Salesforce. So it is very basic things. So see, if you know about the business flow, the creative mind, your creative mind will automatically create the things which you want. See, you can generate your own application. Just take an example, any example. If, as I was talking about the mobile application, correct? So just take an example, how you can make that thing easy to manage about the customer's information. Just take, just whenever we will start building the application, just think about your own product, how you can manage your business over there with the customers. So just think and track all the, just what, gather all the information. If you face some difficulty, just make a note of that on the piece of paper. Just whatever you are thinking, just make it. And whenever you learn that how you can build an application, just implement that in the application. That is not the that huge thing that you cannot do. That is not the rocket science. You cannot that you have to do think lot of you have to put lot of efforts over there, and you have to think that how you can build the application. It is very easy. If you know the concept of it, it is very easy to build an application over there. Okay, so that is the thing which goes with the Salesforce, correct? So please try to understand this business flow. Then it is very easy to understand the building an application over there. Then we will talk about the developer things and everything over there. That is not the thing. First, you need to understand that how the things are running in the back. Okay. So we'll try to understand the architecture of the Salesforce. Okay. So the architecture of the Salesforce is, Salesforce architecture refers the underlying structure and components of the Salesforce platform. Salesforce is the cloud-based customer relationship management platform that helps businesses to manage their sales, marketing, customer services, and other related processes. Its architecture is designed to be highly scalable, flexible, and customizable to meet the needs of various organizations. Here is the key component of the Salesforce architecture, which is the multi-tenant architecture, correct? Now you might be thinking, what is this multi-tenant architecture? You have studied all this. I have told you everything about this. What is CRM? What is, how the clouds are working? How the three clouds are playing the roles over there, and how flexible the things are becoming for the Salesforce. Now, just keep a focus on the multi-tenant architecture. And whenever I'm repeating the things, just make a note of it, because that might be some important things which I am telling you. So that I want that whatever I am repeating the things, just make a note of it, because that might be helping you in future. So to understand whatever the things you might be having. Okay. So we will first try to understand what is the multi-tenant architecture. Okay. So here you can see there is a building block over there. So just we will first understand in the generic way, then we will go into the Salesforce terms. Okay. So let us take an example. There is a building. In this building, what is happening over here is like there are three resources provided. There might be multiple resources. Just for an example, I am taking the three resources are being provided. Okay, which is the water, gas, and electricity. Now the things are like, this water is going to this family as well, this water is going to this family as well, and gas same as it is. So all the three resources are going into this building blocks with the equal amount of manner. Okay, so it is nothing like that this family is a VIP family, so their resources should be more over here. That is nothing like that. If suppose this family is a VIP family, so and they are demanding for the more resources compared to other families, this will not happen. Okay, so what is happening, these resources are equally distributed. Correct. Water is equally distributed to this family, water is equally distributed to this family, as well as the water is distributed to this family as well. So the thing which I want to try, I'm trying to say is that whatever the resources are provided, they are equally distributed among each families over there. Now, this was a just basically generic term which I have explained you now. Now, let us try to understand this thing in the Salesforce terms. How we can understand this thing in the Salesforce term. So basically, just think about, this is my instance and this is your instance. Okay, instance is nothing but the workspace where you are working. Or just take an example, this is my org and this is your org. Okay, now my customer has given me a 10,000 of records, and I am storing that 10,000 of records in my organization. Okay, now there is a customer for you, your organization as well. He is giving the 10,000 of records and you are storing all the information. Correct. You are gathering all the informations and you are storing it. Now what happens if suppose my customer is my client is giving me 10,000 records? It is nothing like that you can get the 20,000 of records. Just try to understand what I want to say. The client is giving you 20,000. The limit for you is 20,000 and limit for me is the 10,000. It is nothing like that. You belongs to VIP family. It is nothing like that. You are the VIP family, so you will get the 20,000 of records. Salesforce will give you also the 10,000 of records only, and even for me also it will be the 10,000 of records. Correct. So the thing which I want to explain you is that the Salesforce is working that it is equally distributed among each of the customers. Okay, each of the client. So whatever it is given, it is equally distributed and they are isolated from each other. So like what isolation means, if suppose my client is giving me 10,000 of records, my 10,000 of records will not be visible to you, and whatever the 10,000 of records the client has given to you will not be visible to my organization as well. So that thing means the isolation. Everywhere there is a, so 2 points are very important over here to notice. They are equally distributed and they are isolated from each other. So multi-tenant means what? There are multiple organization who is using the Salesforce platform, where they are gathering all the informations of their clients. They are storing all the information of the customers, but they are isolated from each other. They are equally distributed and they are isolated from each other. Correct. So this is the thing which are running for the Salesforce. Correct. So I hope you understood what is multi-tenant. So multi-tenant is nothing but it is given to the multiple organizations. They are equally distributed. The resources are equally distributed. The limits, the equally distributed means what? There are the governance limit for that. Governance limit for that means, if suppose there is a limit of 10,000 records, then all the organization will be having that limitation of 10,000 only. They will be equally distributed and they are isolated. Okay, so I hope you understood this, the meaning of the multi-tenant here. So let's move to that, how we can create the developer org, and we will see that how we can create the Trailhead account as well. So let me explain you that thing as well, both the things. So first we will create the free developer org. We'll see that how we can create the developer org. Okay. So if you are facing any problem, please let me know. There are mentors as well present in the session. If you face any problem, you can directly ask into the chat box. Okay. So they're continuously over there for you people, so that they can rectify your questions. Okay. So please be attentive. Whatever explanation I will repeat twice, thrice, if needed. Again, I can explain. So, but if you are getting in one go, that is well and good. Okay. So let's go and build the application over there. Is my screen visible to everyone? Okay. So let me, so first what I will do, I will create the developer org. So this is the link for creating the developer org. I'll share this link into the chat box. So you can, everyone just follow this link. Okay. So I am pasting this link over here. So just copy this link and you can just visit that site. Okay. So as I'm going over here, so it is showing me that how you can create the free developer org. Everyone just copy that link with you. Okay. I would like to tell the mentors, if participants are facing problem any related to this, please repost this link if they are facing any problem to gather this link. Okay. So I hope everyone just copied that link. Okay. Now this is the very basic things you need to take care of it. Okay. These are very small informations, but they are effective. You might be facing these problems if you are not filling this information correctly. Okay, so first just provide your information, first name, last name. Okay, then just provide the email ID. Please fill the email ID correct. It should not be wrong. Whatever the email ID you have registered for this cohort, give the same email ID. Okay. Please don't provide any fake email IDs over here, because with this email ID you will get the verification link over there in the mail. So then only you can verify that account. Okay. So just provide the email correct email over there. Then provide the role. Select the role as a developer. I'm repeating, select the role as a developer. And moving down, there you can see there is a company. So if you want to give the company name, so if you, I know that there is no company till now. So what you can do, instead of company, you can provide the college name as well. Okay. So just provide the college name, whatever you want to give, just give the company name. So like if suppose I am in the org, so I will give the company name over here. Okay, so just I've given the name over here, whatever you can give as per your choice. Okay, so just give this information as per your requirement. Okay, you can give the company name as a college name. I'm repeating this thing again. You can give this company name as a college name. And please go with this link only, developer.salesforce.com/signup. If you are going to some another org and you are doing sign up over there, that means you will get limited edition days account as well. So there are some profiles which works for just limited days, like for 30 days or something like that. You might face problem related to that. So just go through this link only, developer.salesforce.com/signup. That the link which I've shared again, I will share it again if you want. Okay. I hope everyone is collecting this information, right? So instead of company name, you just provide the college name. No one will check that which company, which college you are working. It is a free developer org. You have to gather all the information, but the things which you needed truly is like email ID, so that you can gather that information. Okay. Then role as a developer, then the country you have to provide. So just select the country, and the postal code is nothing but the pin code. So just provide the pin code. Any number you can provide it, but just provide wherever you stay, it will be better. The postal code is nothing but the pin code. The most important role over here is of username. See, the two things to be noted over here for the username is it should be unique and it should be in the email format. Okay. Here you can see an example. It is in the email format, correct? So the name will be there, and after that at the rate there will be something, and some name will be there, and there will be the .com, like that things. Okay. So if suppose I'm using the usual name over here, if suppose I'm creating as I'm already having this link username with this username. Okay. And if I try to create the org for me, so if suppose I am signing up, now it will throw an error for me. Here you can see you are already using the username in another Salesforce login credentials. Your username needs to be unique and in the form of email address, correct? So that is correct. We have entered the in the email format, but that is not unique, correct? So what we need to do over here is it should be unique. So I'm just providing the cohort program. Let's see whether this name is being used or not. So just try to sign me up. Okay. So here you can see almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account, correct? So in this case, what you need to do is just go to your go through your email ID. Okay, so you will get one link over there. Now it is saying that you okay, it is fine. This is some another way. There is an issue with the Salesforce Developer Edition account. Sorry, we can't enroll the edition. You just have to wait the couple of minutes over here, so that we will come to know about this thing. Okay, so just wait for some time. You will definitely get the link over there to verify the account. Okay, so we'll just wait for that. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll definitely get that link. Okay. Then I need to explain you regarding this trailhead also. So just go to trailhead. I'm sharing this link as well with you. So I'm sharing you this link. So just copy this link. You can create your own trailhead platform. I think so. The videos were provided to you people as well to create the trailhead account. Okay. So I've shared that trailhead platform link as well. Okay. So just go through that and let me check whether that mail has been received or not. Till now, I haven't received any mail from the support. So here you can see if you want to log in into your account, you can simply click on the Trailblazer account. If you want to sign up, you can just click on the sign up. Okay. Then there are multiple ways you can link your account. You can create your account. So like basically you can use your Google account as well as you can use your Salesforce account. If suppose you are creating this, if you get the email, if you have verified your account of Salesforce, you can directly link your Salesforce account to the Trailhead as well. Okay, so here you can see there is a continue with the Salesforce. Then if you want to link with the LinkedIn, you can continue with by providing your email LinkedIn ID or link over there. Then if you are having the Apple link, you can just use with go through the continue with the Apple account. As there is a Google account, there will be the Apple ID as well. You can give it. Then a very easy way to provide it is the email ID. So you can just give your email, provide email ID and click on next. Then you just have to fill the small information over there, and you can create your own platform over there. Okay, so I hope everyone is getting that how you can get these things. So let me check again that I'm getting the link or not. It will give you this that you have already entered this thing, but let's have some patience. You will definitely get the mail for that to verify that. So till that time, we will see with the how we can sign up over here. So you can simply provide the email ID as well. So if suppose I am providing the my email ID. Okay, just check once and click on next. So it will send the one code over there. That code I need to enter over here. So I think so I got that. So just copy this and just fill that user code over here and submit the code. You can go manually also. You can enter whatever you want to link it. You can link it. Okay. So here you can see this org is being created now. So this is already used one, but if you want to create it, you can create by signing up that account. Okay. So that is the thing which you can do with by just clicking on the sign up over there. Whatever you want to link with the account, you can simply link your account. Okay. So if suppose I'm using the Google, everything is being used over here. So that is the thing. If you want to provide, you can provide your corrective information over there. The role, whatever the things which you have to take care of, that thing is that you should have that all the informations. If suppose it is not taking, still I haven't got that mail ID. If anyone facing problem, please let me know in the chat box regarding the trailhead. Recording you can go anytime. Okay, so as I can see, Kunal Sharma, you are not able to sign in. Have you signed up that Trailhead account where you are not able to do that sign in the Trailhead platform or Salesforce platform? You will get the mail. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, you will get that mail that you have already used, but have patience. You will definitely get the mail. Chat box is chat box. How chat box is disabled? Chat box is there for everyone as well. Should I repeat regarding the trailhead once again? do just wait for a minute, okay? If I'm not getting mail, then I will use my personal email ID so that I can get that information. So let me do one thing. I'll quickly create one more account. Role as a developer, company name, country, region. Sometimes it may take time, or you can do one thing. You can check the spam as well if you are getting any mail over there. No, there is no nothing over there. Okay, so let's try with some another Google account, Gmail account. Okay, let's wait for some time. You will definitely get the mail. So just don't worry about that. Okay. You can create as many as account you want. Okay, so there is no limit regarding that. You can you can log in into as many account you want to verify. You will definitely get it. Okay. Please check your email to confirm it is giving that mail. So just wait. You have to wait for some time. Okay. So then you will definitely get it. Till now, any questions regarding the Salesforce, or what you want know more information regarding this? See, if you haven't received any email, don't worry, don't panic. You will definitely get it. If you are not getting, then I'll help you over there. Okay. I will show you once again that how you can get it. In the company name, you have to provide the college name. You can provide the college name. Okay. In the postal code, you can use your PIN code. Postal code is nothing but the PIN code. If you are using email ID, there is a possibility. If you are using the email ID as an username, there is a possibility that there should be the duplication over there. So just use some numbers over there, or use something characters over there. Okay. It should be unique. That's it. You will receive the mail. Don't worry, you will receive the mail. What should be the username should be in the email format, and it should be unique. Don't give the mail ID because there is a possibility that you might face an error over there. Even I haven't got mail till yet. So don't worry, you will definitely get it. If I try to create more org, see, if I want to show you that, you can see that I am having multiple orgs with me. Multiple orgs. You can create it as many as you want. Okay. So there is no limit for that. You can create it as many as you want. If suppose I'm trying with the same email ID, let's check with the another username. What will happen? Sometimes it might stuck over there. Okay. So again, I am repeating this thing. Okay. So first name, you should be providing your first name, then last name, yours last name. Okay. Just provide the last name. Then just provide your email ID, which is working. Okay. Provide the correct email ID, then provide the role. The role should be developer role. Okay. Don't select any other role. Just select the developer role, as we are for the developer program. So just select the developer role. Then give the company name, if just as in college name. Okay. You can just provide the company name as your college name. Then provide the country name. Then postal code is nothing but the PIN code. Okay. Then the username should be in the email format and it should be unique. Okay. Let me check all the information if it is filled correctly. Okay. Now I'll sign me up. So just we have to wait for some time. Okay, you received the mail. Okay, that's great. Company name is the college name. You can give your college name. If you are providing the correct information, you will definitely get the mail. Okay, so don't worry. Even I am waiting for that. If you are getting that you have already used that mail ID for this account, that doesn't bother. Okay, so you will get the mail. Okay. If you are getting that verify mail, just stay over there. What you need to do is like, let me check whether I got the mail from another. Still, I'm facing some problem with that. If you have got that mail, just wait for a minute. Let me explain you that thing. What you need to do is just click on that verify link. Okay. There you will be asked for the reset the password. So just click on that reset password. and provide the password, and just remember that password. And the most important thing over there is that there is a security question over there. Just select the security question and please answer the correct answer over there. Okay, so please answer correctly over there. In case you forgot the password, they and you click the forgot password, they will be asking you the security question over there. Then you need to answer it correctly. So provide the correct information over there. Okay, I am repeating again. Please provide the correct information in the security question, because that is very important. So let me show you that how you will get that. I might be having one verification link over there. So here you can see you might get this kind of mail over there. And what you need to do is simply you have to click on that verify account, and it will be asking to reset your password. So just click on that reset password, and then now it is already verified. Then provide the password over there, and there will be the security question over there. Okay, so you will receive the security question, and then you have to just answer correctly. If you are not answering correctly, that means what will happen. If you forgot that password, in that case what you need to do, you have to answer that security question. Whatever the question you are selecting from that bunch of questions, just select it correctly. Okay, then answer it correctly, and then you will get that information. Okay, I don't know why I'm not getting the mail, but yes, you will definitely get it. It might take some time. I don't know that much of time why it is taking, but yes, you will receive it. If you're not getting, then please check the spam as well. If you haven't got that, then we will see that in the next session as well. Don't worry. If you are unable to create that, that is tomorrow. We will see that thing, as we have come past the time of 8 o'clock. Okay. So please do come regularly. The session will be starting on 6 o'clock in the evening. So please be there. The links will be shared with the through mail to you people. Okay. So please be there. Okay, everyone. Let me check you people are getting the mail or not. Okay, so most of the people got the mail. Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone. Okay, if you haven't got, don't worry. No need to worry about that. We will see that by tomorrow as well. I don't want to run that someone is lagging behind and we are just running. So everyone should create that org. Okay, that is very important to create that org, because whatever the tasks which you are completing, you just have to complete that things in the org only. So it is very important to do that. And yes, okay, so everyone got the mail. Fine. Thank you. I don't know why I'm not getting that mail. Okay, so we will see this thing by tomorrow also. Don't worry. You might have received because today I've created lots of things over here. So let me.
Recording stopped.
So yes, we'll meet tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Okay. So be there. Please be regular so you don't miss any part of it. Okay. Till that time, have a good day. If you are not getting the mail, don't worry. We will repeat this things again. Okay. So just don't worry. We'll see it tomorrow. Okay then. Till that time, have a good day. Bye.